Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. In today's video I have an unboxing for you guys that I'm really excited to share. It is the unicorn bag of all unicorn bags. You probably guess what it is, but let's go ahead and get into it. So I have the box right here. Let's go ahead and open it. So disclaimer, I have actually already opened the bag. I just thought we could open it together on camera. I was way too excited when I got it in the mail, so there was no way I could contain myself. But here is the box. And let's see what it is. Alrighty, so here we have it in the dust bag. It is the Pochette Accessoire, and it did come with the strap, of course, right here, brand new. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the strap, so just give me 1 second. Alrighty guys, so here it is, my very own Pochette Accessoire. You guys, I have been hunting this bag for such a long time. I believe it is the unicorn of all unicorn bags for Louis Vuitton. It is impossible to find. I did score this on the Louis Vuitton website. Unfortunately, as you guys know, it's always out of stock. So what I did was I reached out to customer service and I asked if I could please order one. They said that they didn't have any available at the time, but they would let me go ahead and like pre-order it. And then as soon as one became available, they would ship it to me. So that is what I did, and I am so happy. I will tell you though, when I first opened it, I was a little underwhelmed because I do have the multi-pochette accessoire. This bag is almost identical to the bigger size of that purse, so I do feel a way about that. I'm actually considering possibly maybe selling my multi-pochette accessoire. I don't know for sure. So I was a little underwhelmed, and I do feel a way. I might sell that bag. Actually, just kidding. I probably will never sell that bag, but I do feel like now more than ever, the multi-pochette is way overpriced. I just recently purchased the mini pochette, and then I have this one, and literally you could put both of those two together and have the multi-pochette accessoire, just add a key pouch to it. So with that being said, if I hadn't bought this bag first, I probably wouldn't buy the multi-pochette now. But because I already have the multi-pochette accessoire, I'm okay with it. But this is what the bag looks like. I'm probably going to get like a gold chain, and they have these gold chains on Amazon for like $7. And I'm gonna probably add it to the bag just because I really want to take care of the vachetta. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and take this off right now. I don't want to ruin it. It back off just because I don't want to ruin it. This one was actually made in Spain, and the inside is the brown color, and then it's got the one pocket on the inside. I definitely feel that maybe now my collection is almost complete. I've been hunting this bag forever. I think I paid $700 for it, and then it's got the little tab right here. If you can see that. This is a really great piece for summer, or if you're just going out with some girlfriends for some drinks, some cocktails, a good brunch bag. You just kind of throw it over your shoulder and go. I really like it. I think it's perfect. Like I said, it's really similar to the multi-pochette accessoire bigger bag. So I do feel like I may have to get rid of that bag. I'm not sure, but we'll have to see. But this is the bag. I really love it, you guys. If you've been hunting for it, I definitely recommend reaching out to an SA. becoming friends with them, or going on the Louis Vuitton website and reaching out to customer service, whether that be through the in-person chat or through phone number, and see if they can put this on reserve for you. And don't get discouraged if they don't let you do it, or if they say it's not available. I would just try again, hang up and try to get somebody else, or just try again on another day. Try again, and I hope that you guys have better luck finding it. Don't get through to anybody and no one is willing to get it for you, then I would just go ahead and keep trying, and maybe someone will be able to order it for you, because it is definitely worth it. I think this is the cheapest purse that you can get at Louis Vuitton, or some people call it an SLG. I think it's a purse. So it's the cheapest one that you can get for the size. I think right now it's retailing for, right now on the website, it is retailing for $790, which is still a little expensive. Obviously it's Louis Vuitton, but for the price and what you get of the bag, I think it's absolutely worth it. I think it fits quite a bit. And I love how it has the inner pocket on the inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys want to see more videos like this, if you could please subscribe, it'll help my channel. Please comment. I'm a new YouTuber, so all the engagement that I get helps. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.